trying to get in, you need some help. Truck so high, they call it Willie Nelson. Good luck trying to get in, you need some help. Truck so high, they call it Willie Nelson.
Got that Whiskey River tuck back, my 30-30 on the gun rack, my Mossberg. Fun fact, riding shotgun, so run that. My Willie boy, his camouflage. Them little girls say, damn, it's hard. Them haters say, damn, it stop with the truck game, I am the top. On the road again, like Willie say, I'm showing out, but in a different way. Lady smitten, I know right, cause I'm sitting at lipo height. Blue eyes crying in the rain, bumping on them 218s. Country boy fresh, ain't no thing. Uncle Willie, so it's
got the four-wheel drive like I'm tighter than a prison. In the sky we ride, think my hood just hit the heavens. Good luck trying to get in, oh baby girl, you're gonna need some helping. Got a truck so high, I call him Willie Nelson.
Trying to get in,
you Willie Nelson. I call him Willie Nelson. Your truck so high, I call him Willie Nelson. We sitting high and dry, up there where them pigeons fly. Shotgun with a missus ride, but a different dimension we gon' slip and slide. Stripper style, way out, where the rednecks let it get down. And we're sticking mud out in the crowd, getting bold wild, then we all cloud down bound. Near make 9 Johns all getting in line. When I hop up out of that four-wheel drive like a bulldog, I'ma eat my lunch in a bullfrog. Can't beat my jump, I'ma stick it, hold it, making a mess. And I told them old boys, get the hell out of my section. 2 chains, just in case one snaps. So side, told Willie better get back. Got the four-wheel drive like I'm tighter than a prison. In the sky we ride, think my hood just hit the heavens. Good luck trying to get in, oh baby girl, you're gonna need some helping. Got a truck so high, I call him Willie Nelson.
trying to get in,
you Willie Nelson. I call him Willie Nelson. Your truck so high, I call him Willie Nelson. Chevrolet's jacked up, the Silverado's been eating Wheaties. Mud stays on a paint job until the rain falls and the good Lord cleans me. Getting out of my ride, it's like a skydive, you need a parachute. Dress code in this 4-low is a pair of boots and them days your dukes. Cutting through the mud holes, oh no, no stopping her. I'll be looking out at the crowd waving, y'all be looking up with your binoculars. Cause we in the clouds, we're coming down, my truck's a plane, ain't no thing. Just got a little gas to burn, a little more to slide. The four-wheel drive like I'm tighter than a prison. In the sky we ride, think my hood just hit the heavens. Good luck trying to get in, oh baby girl, you're gonna need some helping. Got a truck so high, I call him Willie Nelson.
trying to get in,
you Willie Nelson. I call him Willie Nelson. Your truck so high, I call him Willie Nelson. Four-wheel drive like I'm tighter than a prison. In the sky we ride, think my hood just hit the heavens. Good luck trying to get in, oh baby girl, you're gonna need some helping. Got a truck so high, I call him Willie Nelson.
trying to get in,
you Willie Nelson. I call him Willie Nelson. Your truck so high, I call him Willie Nelson.
Anybody's wondering, man, it's pretty windy out here. Chancy, definitely got adrenaline fingers trying to go out over the water. A little bit windy for today, but yeah, I had a good cruise. A little disorienting, man. You get out there, you forget where you're at. It's really easy to lose perspective of your location, but still, man, you want some serious adrenaline, put out over the water, have some fun.
Good afternoon. Please give your attention to my associate, Agent J. He's going to demonstrate an electro-biomechanical neural transmitting zero synapse repositioner. We call it the neuralizer. Keep it simple, Slid.
Thanks a lot. Thank you, Agent K. Ladies and gentlemen, if you will, look right here.